You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Welcome to our in-depth review of Lendmark Financial's Express Loan. We've provided helpful links in the description below for your convenience. In this video, we'll delve into the key features of Lendmark Financial's loan products, discuss who might benefit most from their services, and provide a comprehensive overview of the customer experience. Let's dive right in. Lendmark Financial focuses on providing personal loans designed to address a wide range of financial requirements. These include debt consolidation, home improvements, covering unexpected costs, and even auto financing. Their Express Loan service is specifically geared towards individuals who require rapid access to funds, featuring a streamlined application process and competitive interest rates for qualified applicants. Loan amounts generally range from $500 to $25,000, depending on individual eligibility and the specific loan product chosen. The application process is designed to be user-friendly and can be initiated online or by visiting one of their conveniently located branches. Lendmark Financial emphasizes personalized service, meaning you can anticipate direct interaction with a loan officer who will provide guidance throughout the entire process. They take a holistic approach to evaluating loan applications, considering your overall financial picture beyond just your credit score. This can make them a suitable option for individuals with fair credit histories. A notable advantage of Lendmark Financial is the flexibility of their repayment options. They offer repayment plans customized to fit your budget, with loan terms ranging from 12 to 60 months. This allows you to select a plan that aligns with your individual financial circumstances. Furthermore, there are no prepayment penalties, providing the opportunity to save on interest by paying off your loan ahead of schedule. Lendmark Financial is a good fit for those seeking a dependable lender for mid-range personal loans, particularly individuals who value face-to-face interaction and personalized support. However, it's crucial to be aware that their interest rates might be higher than those offered by traditional banks or credit unions, especially for borrowers with less than perfect credit scores. To summarize, Lendmark Financial's Express Loan service provides a quick and accessible borrowing solution for those who need funds promptly. With flexible terms, personalized assistance, and competitive loan options, it's a viable option for individuals seeking a trustworthy financial partner. For more information or to start your application, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below.